As the fifth round of the annual strategic and economic dialogue between China and the U.S. has just concluded this week, we had an interview with Mr. Zhu Guangyao, China's Vice Finance Minister, on Sino-U.S. relations. He said both sides learn each other's culture and build trust step by step.
I thought that's more important is both sides learn each other's culture, and Chinese maybe more open, more straightforward, and U.S. colleagues learn from Chinese side, sometimes show patient. That's in this process. I think that's important is a personal relation. Just with this process, we understand each other, particularly each other's culture. That's trust will be established step by step. I don't think that full trust can be established with 1 day, 1 month, even 1 year. But through the cooperation, through the debate, and through very frank discussion with very sometimes angry, emotional, but finally with this tangible outcome, because both sides understand how important of relations between China and the U.S., how important we should work together to get concrete outcome. So that's trust, just step by step. And this is emphasized by President Xi Jinping and President Obama in California meeting. And particularly two leaders show great leadership, and with their special manner, without time meeting. That's the fourth time for Chinese leader and U.S. leader to have so close communication and so deepening discussion. I believe with this way, no any issues can block the development of China and U.S. economic and comprehensive relations.